Students of academics and competitive exams of English. Today in lecture 1 part 2nd English medium lecture, our topic is translation based on preposition plus gerund or preposition plus noun. In lecture 1 part 1 we came to know what prepositions we can use in translating all these sentences. Students, in this class 2nd, in this part 2nd, we will translate some of the sentences in Hindi into English. व्यायाम करने के साथ साथ या व्यायाम करने के अतिरिक्त वह अच्छा खाना भी खाता है. It means he is doing two actions. He is taking exercise and he is eating healthy food. In this way we will write it because our main sentence is खाता है present indefinite, and you will do this. Besides taking exercise, he eats healthy food. Besides is a preposition and taking is gerund. And you can also translate the same sentence into another form. Besides exercise, here in green color, all the words written here are noun. Besides is a preposition and exercise is noun. In this way our translation is besides exercise, he takes healthy food. कई बार फेल होने के बावजूद या कई बार फेल होने पर भी वह दुखी नहीं है. In spite of failures, in spite of many failures, you can also say he is not sad. In spite of means के बावजूद. Failures noun. I have already told you the words written in blue color are noun. In this way you wrote in spite of failures he is not sad. मेहनत करके उसने सफलता प्राप्त करी. Sometimes students get confused and write it after working hard and on working hard. Both the expressions are wrong. Let's know why. These expressions are wrong because any success is got after hard work and it requires some source and resource. I mean to say when we got success, it is done by somebody, means on the basis of something. When we have on the basis of, we use by. If I use after means you finished one action and then again you finished second action. Just like after eating food he went away, means eating was done by he, and who went away? He went away. Both subjects, both actions were done after one another by the same subject. I mean to say when you do one action and you do the same action, you use after and before. But working hard is in your own action, but getting success is not your action, it's an opportunity or luck. That's why we will use here by. That's why our sentence will be by working hard he got success. By means के द्वारा, not बाद. In sentence number 4, let's see. लापरवाह होने की दशा में वह सफल नहीं हो पाएगा. Our sentence is होने की दशा में means in case of being careless. It may be negative. If we wrote लापरवाह होने की दशा में, if you want to write it in negative, you can use it in case of not being careless. But we require here positive expression. Then we will write in case of being careless he will not be successful. वह गणित पढ़ने में अच्छा है. He is good at mathematics. At is preposition and mathematics is noun. That's why we can say preposition plus noun. Here preposition plus noun we have used here. उसे गाली देने या दे चुके होने पर दंडित किया गया. I mean to say he was punished for abusing. He was punished for abusing because abusing has already been done. Whenever we have done something we use for, and that's why for is preposition and abusing is gerund here. वह अनदेखा किए जाने पर दुखी थी. This is a very special sentence because in this sentence passive voice structure is used. For abusing is active voice and for being abused means passive voice. I mean to say if we have any passive expression we use being plus third form, and we have any active expression we use for plus ing or any preposition plus ing, but just after for we use being in case of passive voice. Students, I hope you will come to know well all these expressions. Thanks.